Hello everyone, welcome. So if you want to accept PayPal payments for your community or products, linking PayPal to Whop is a breeze and boosts your buyers' trust. So guys, as you can see, we need to choose Setup Whop Payments after creating our Whop workspace. So press on Start, choose your country, click on Next, let us wait. Okay, so in here you need to, of course, insert your email. Okay, after that, guys, you will need to, of course, tie in your phone number. So you choose the country, insert the number, then click on Submit. This is the first way. After that, you'll be taken to the dashboard, and in the dashboard, you can click in the finances and then manage your payment methods. Also, guys, the second place where it can be found is in the settings of your profile. And as you can see, payments options, payment methods. And as you can see, if your country supports it, you can add PayPal right over here. So in my case, it's missing. For you, it should be here. And this way you connect to your PayPal. That's pretty much it. Very simple, guys. As you can see, only takes a few steps. Enjoy the tutorial, like and subscribe. See you soon.